What's up, guys? I hope you are doing great today. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are installing the tow mirrors on the Silverado. Let's get after it. And here's the mirrors, boys. I am so pumped. They're the new style replicas. I've been waiting so long to get these things on. If you missed my last video, I'll post it below. I showed you guys how to paint plastic. I showed you guys how to spray these mirror covers. And I think they came out great. So I'll go ahead and post that below if you guys are interested in checking that out. I just went ahead and threw some Meguiar's quick hand polish and then some wax on here, and they came out great. Not too bad for spray paint. So for this gig, you're gonna need a 10mm, a 7mm, a T20 Torx, and then an interior body clip removal tool thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here we go. Now don't judge me on the interior or the truck itself. It's super dirty right now. Yeah, haven't really had time to do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the body clip removal, pop that piece out. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick rundown real quick, and then I'll do a time lapse of doing it. Just pop this piece off right here, and there'll be the first T20. Then what you're gonna do is get up under here. There's a 7mm. You're gonna get behind the plastic door lock piece, pop that out, it'll just come out, and then there's gonna be a 7mm back there, and then just pop this piece off. And I'll remove this by hand, and then we can get to the bolts to the mirror. All right, well, someone's apparently already been in here because this screw wasn't here. So this is usually your last screw. You just pull it out, and then the door panel pops up and out like you guys saw. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and trace this wire that comes from the mirror. It usually goes from the mirror down behind here and then right into the door lock. So it'll plug into right here. So it's really not that difficult. You're just gonna pop these pieces out down here. I'll give you guys a better look here in just a second. But right here's your 10mm. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this apart first, and then that way we can just pop the mirror out. All right, so I got the door lock and the window switches out. Now there's usually supposed to be a screw right there, and this clip's supposed to hold it in, but obviously this got blown out, which I'm not too concerned with because I'm on the lookout, or I will be eventually looking for all new interior, or we'll spray it. I'm not quite sure, but that's obviously in the future. So here's the two. There's that and that plug that go to the harness to the mirror. Now I've got a lot more wiring on this than the new mirrors do, because these are like the auto everything, like they retract, all that. So don't be alarmed if the wiring's not the same as your stock mirrors. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pop these out, and then we can pull the mirror. Alright, boys, so the old mirror's out. Like I said earlier, there's literally nothing wrong with it. I just need to clean it up a little bit. I haven't cleaned them in forever. And they are power everything. So I'm either going to sell them or keep them for an upcoming project. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll go ahead and set these down for now, and we'll get to installing the new ones. Bam, the mirror's in. Now I got it mounted and everything. We just need to go ahead and rerun the wiring. I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm gonna run the wiring the same way it was, plug it in here, and then we can go ahead and just put it all back together. It's literally just reverse order. I did notice that it came with the harness, or it didn't come with the complete harness for the lights though, for the reverse lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and have to order that up, and then we'll do that at a later date. So I do apologize if you came to this video to figure out how to get these, but I will have a video on that in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all put back together. Hopefully the weather doesn't go to crap, and then we can get some shots of it outside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the other side done and finish this up, and then we'll get it outside. All right, boys, here they are. So it's the next day. I didn't end up getting done in time for the weather to hold out last night. So Just figure I got enough time before work today. Just wanted to show you guys how they came out. I'm pretty pumped on these. Let's go around to the other side. I think they're a great addition to the truck. If we're being spray paint, I think they came out pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think below. Alright boys, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like the way the mirrors came out. I'm really happy with them. If you guys have any questions, as always, comment below, send me a message on Instagram. But I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.